Hello. This video is going to be about how you can delete your Zoom account in your Android cell phones. So, if you want to delete your Zoom account, you don't have to uninstall this application in your Android cell phones. So, as there is an era of online classes and online engagements, so now Zoom is used by mostly people nowadays. So, to create or delete account, I will show you how you can delete account in your Android cell phones. Go to any web browser in your Android cell phones and write Zoom web portal. So you will see different options there, but you have to look for that what is the official website for Zoom. So go to the first one, which is about sign in Zoom. When this website is open in front of you, you will see different options here. You can also join a meeting here, or you can also host a meeting from here as well. So when you scroll down, you will see that there is the option for meetings here. But you don't have to schedule a meeting here. You want to delete your account. So click on the blue arrow here. When you click on it, you will see different options here. Scroll down and look in the admin section. In the admin section, there is a third option, which is about account management. Go to it and then go to the account profile. When you go to the account profile, it will open a new browser in front of you. So scroll down, you will see an option which is about terminate my account. Go to it. When you go to it, they will send you a code in your email address in which you have signed up your Zoom account. Copy that code here. When you copy that code here, then continue. When you continue here, you will see that they have deleted your account automatically. So that's how you can delete your account from Zoom. Thank you.